I'm just a simple guy named John Michael Bernardo. I'm not a viewers, but a friendly man. You can call me JM, but sometimes they call me Ken. I am a working student. I like cycling and singing too. Watching with family. I love to cook and dance TikTok. Also read these books. I want to know more about research. And I love this subject too. Yeah, I am a sophomore student from MPC, and the ACAS are my priority. I work at McDo to learn and discover things to support my family.